your books and anything you make with more than stickers. Stickers are really cute. So there are two ways you can make stickers at home. These are all you need. You need some markers, a paper, a double tape, a cello tape, a scissor, and using the marker and the papers, yes, you need to draw some cute little pictures or any kind of pictures you like bows, cupcakes, carrots, anything you like. So here I have drawn some of those, and you can take an example, and that's all you need. Let's get started. The first way. You are gonna draw some pictures in a paper and cut around it, but do not cut around the pictures. You just need to cut it like this. Then you are gonna light like this. Take your double tape and start taping the back side from bottom to up or up to bottom, up to down. And now you're just gonna cut around. And since the tape is all done, you're gonna cut around your sticker. Be careful or it will rip out. You can make as much as stickers you want, but here I'm only making 4 in this kind. When you can't find the stickers you like, this is the best way to make those stickers. And then you're just gonna cut it all out. So let's test the stickers on your notebook or any books you need. And then you're just gonna apply it. Look how cute and beautiful it is. So I'm not gonna waste all my stickers here, but you can apply any kind of sticker you like. Now we are gonna move to the second method. So you need a piece of paper and sellotape. You're gonna take your stickers. First you're gonna take the sellotape, of course, and you're gonna cut it according to the size of your stickers. I need 2 lines because some of my stickers are very big. So you're going to start by aligning your stickers. One, 2. So right now I'm going to only apply 2. Before that, you're going to take and cut 1 line in the middle of it, but don't cut through the whole thing. You're just gonna cut it into the middle, like this. Then you're gonna apply another line of the sellotape onto it. And after you apply your stickers, you're gonna apply another line of sellotape onto your stickers so they can be fully secure. I'm gonna apply 2 because my bow is really big. So then after you apply them, you are gonna cut around the shape. Now we are going to start cutting around the shape. You are supposed to leave a little bit in here, the outer side, because the tape needs to be sticky so it can be pasted onto your book or anything you use. We can cut it in a particular shape or in the shape of the object you are drawing and using. And it's done. So now we are gonna use one of the stickers here you're gonna bend like this, or if the lines are like this, you're gonna bend it like this. So bend it like this. Take out one part like this. Take the paper part out. And voila! Another sticker is done. So that's how you make beautiful and amazing stickers. So now you're gonna apply and get all the other stickers you made, and then you're gonna decorate your books, papers, and anything you make. So hope you enjoyed. You'll meet another video. So try this out at home.